is the least that we can do for all that they've done for us. Before I call our AMS chief to come and receive a proclamation, I don't want to steal Jerry's thunder. She will go through her agenda as well. But she's provided you 3 great opportunities to serve today. Just going to list them and I won't explain the details. the military care kits, you can help to assemble things and put them together. The disaster preparedness buckets, you're going to make some buckets. And the vegetable garden bucket. So the opportunity for you, you can stay as long as you want, you can stay to 2:30 and do whatever you can to help honor our servicemen. At this point, I'd like to have Chief Quillen to please join me on the podium.
All right, Chief.
The chief is our award-winning AMS chief, and he's done a terrific job in what? How many years? 6 years. It's incredible the work that is done. We clap for everything.
And the EMS folks and any other first responders.
If any first responder is here, please come forward to join us to receive this honor.